Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make monopolar with switch wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Double pole MCB circuit breaker, RCCB circuit breaker, another double pole MCB circuit breaker, contactor, light 1, 2 and 3 and 4. Total 4 light. Total 5 switch. Neutral connection to double pole MCB circuit breaker. Phase connection to double pole MCB circuit breaker. Phase connection from double pole MCB to connect RCCB circuit breaker. Phase connection from RCCB to connect double pole MCB. Phase connection from double pole MCB to connect contactor. Output connection from contactor to connect 5 switch. Neutral connection from double pole MCB to connect RCCB circuit breaker. Neutral connection from RCCB circuit breaker to connect double pole MCB. Neutral connection from double pole MCB to connect light 1, 2, 3 and 4. Phase connection from contactor to connect all light. Neutral connection to connect in switch. Now this circuit is ready for use. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friends. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.